In this video, I'll show you how to make an HDMI port being the default one. This way, every time you power on the TV, it will go directly on that HDMI instead of showing you the home screen or the live TV. So how do you do this? Very easy. So over here in the menu, if you're not seeing this, press the home button, go down and select settings, press OK, then go down and we're gonna select system. Once you're in system, you're gonna select power. I don't know why they hide this feature under power mode. It's quite strange, but anyway, press OK and then power on. Usually by default it's home screen, so the TV goes on the home screen, but you can change this. I just pressed the right side arrow and you can go ahead and select one of your HDMIs that are over here. See, 1, 2, 3, maybe your Hisense TV has 4 of them. Everything will be displayed there. You click OK to select one of them and this is it. You can go ahead, press the home button and start using your TV. The next time you power it on, it will go directly on the input you have selected from this list. So I hope this was useful. If so, please type a comment down below telling me it was. How was your day? And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. See you.